Theta value equivalent to 40.197 rands a coin. The present cost range 38.5 The earlier day close 39.9 The change was plus 0.532 plus 125%. Reverse rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 31.19 rands. Excessive cost 38.71, while low cost 31.19. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 34.32. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 36.18. Change for September 16%. Theta figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 36.18 rands. Excessive cost 39.33, while low cost 34.19. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 36.62. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 36.76. Change for October 16%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 36.76 rands. Excessive cost 45.62, while low cost 36.76. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 40.45. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 42.64. Change for November 16%. Theta conjecture for December 2024. Before all else cost at 42.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 52.92, while low cost 42.64. The found the middle value of cost 46.92. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 49.46. Change for December 16%. Theta cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 49.46 rands. Exorbitant cost 58.21, while low cost 49.46. The found the middle value of cost 52.88. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 54.40. Change for January 10%. Theta gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 54.40 rands. Exorbitant cost 61.17, while low cost 53.17. The found the middle value of cost 56.48. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 57.17. Change for February 5.1%. Theta cost expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 57.17 rands. Exorbitant cost 62.15, while low cost 54.01. The found the middle value of cost 57.85. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 58.8. Change for spring 16%. Theta estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 58.8 rands. Exorbitant cost 63.33, while low cost 55.05. The found the middle value of cost 58.91. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 59.19. Change for April 19%. Theta cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 59.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 64.35, while low cost 55.93. The found the middle value of cost 59.90. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 60.14. Change for May 16%. Theta estimate for June 2025. To start with cost at 60.14 rands. Exorbitant cost 60.14, while low cost 50.94. The found the middle value of cost 56.50. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 54.77. Change for June 8.9%. Theta cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 54.77 rands. Exorbitant cost 57.13, while low cost 49.65. The found the middle value of cost 53.74. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 53.39. Change for July 25%. Theta conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at 53.39 rands. Excessive cost 53.39, while low cost 44.58. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 49.83. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 47.94. Change for August 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 47.94 rands. Excessive cost 59.13, while low cost 47.94. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 52.57. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 55.26. Change for September 15.3%. Theta figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 55.26 rands. Excessive cost 68.59, while low cost 55.26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 60.80. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 64.10. Change for October 16%. Theta cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 64.10 rands. Excessive cost 69.69, while low cost 60.57. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 64.87. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 65.13. Change for November 16%. Theta figure for December 2025. Before all else cost at 65.13 rands. Excessive cost 70.80, while low cost 61.54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 65.91. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 66.17. Change for December 16%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 66.17 rands. Excessive cost 77.59, while low cost 66.17. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 70.61. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 72.51. Change for January 96%. Theta conjecture for February 2026. Before all else cost at 72.51 rands. Excessive cost 76.38, while low cost 66.38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 71.66. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 71.38. Change for February 16%. Theta cost expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 71.38 rands. Excessive cost 71.38, while low cost 59.22. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 66.42. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 63.68. Change for spring 10.8%. Theta conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 63.68 rands. Excessive cost 77.71, while low cost 63.68. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 69.43. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 72.63. Change for April 14.1%. Theta cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 72.63 rands. Exorbitant cost 72.63, while low cost 62.89. They found the middle value of cost 68.94. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 67.62. Change for May 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at 68.70 rands. Excessive cost 74.69, while low cost 64.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 69.53. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 69.80. Change for July 16%. Theta conjecture for August 2026. At the outset cost at 69.80 rands. Excessive cost 86.64, while low cost 69.80. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 76.80. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 80.97.